those BFAR vessels na umalis ng mga...
All of those incidents happened between 1.6 to 1.8 nautical miles off the coast of Pag-asa Island. That means all of these incidents happened within the territorial sea of Pag-asa. Is it the first time that the Chinese Coast Guard became very aggressive in Pag-asa Island? I think so, because before, the aggression of the Chinese Coast Guard and Chinese Maritime Militia is very near the Pag-asa case. But this time around, this is the closest that the Chinese Coast Guard harassed and bullied BFAR vessel. It only has a distance of 1.6 to 1.8 nautical miles.
That will result to intentional ramming.
I don't think that they expelled the Philippine vessels. The mere fact that we never deported Pag-asa right after the incidents. And how can they claim that they expelled? As I said, the presence of the Coast Guard, the Armed Forces of the Philippines remain to be in Pag-asa.
You can see from this video that it was really intentional on the part of the Chinese Coast Guard 21559 to directly ram BFAR vessel back to Pag-asa.
We can conclude between the Chinese Maritime Militia and the Chinese Coast Guard is that they are taking orders from the Chinese Coast Guard when it comes to dangerous maneuver, blocking, and even threatening ordinary Filipino fishermen.
This was the video that we released yesterday when China Coast Guard 21559 directly came.
All of those actions of the Chinese government, whether it's near a particular maritime fishery that we occupy, it has always been very concerning because we are dealing with the lives of the crew of the BFAR or even the Philippine Coast Guard personnel. We always take the illegal and blatant violation of the People's Republic of China seriously and always concerning. Damages that BRP Datu Pagbuaya had after the ramming incident. Since day one of this administration, we have been very active in deploying our BFAR and Coast Guard assets and even the Armed Forces of the Philippines in different parts of the Kalayaan Island.
And then at 9
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.